Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by isolating variables and forcing recovery so you can work without the desktop blocking you. First, unplug all peripherals to rule out external drivers. Next, perform a hard power cycle. Hold the power button 10 to 15 seconds, wait a moment, then power on. If Windows stays at a black screen with cursor, trigger automatic repair by interrupting the boot twice or boot from recovery media. Once you reach recovery options, choose troubleshoot, then advanced options, and start safe mode so you can make changes safely. Once you're in safe mode, focus on display drivers and corrupted system files because these are common culprits. You should open Device Manager, roll back recent GPU updates, or uninstall the adapter driver, then reboot to let Windows reinstall a stable driver. If system files might be damaged, run sfc/scano and dism repair commands from an elevated command prompt to restore integrity. Also, disable fast startup in Power Options and remove any recent Windows updates if the black screen started after To finish, validate whether the issue is profile-related or deeper in the system. Create a new local user account and sign in. If the desktop appears, migrate your files and settings. If not, use System Restore to return to a known good point or choose Reset while keeping files to preserve data. When those fail, prepare a full backup and perform an in-place Windows repair or clean install. If anything goes wrong, remember the troubleshooting tip. Always back up your important files before major repairs to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.